Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these mini passion twists that I got from Amazon. This hair was sent to me from the company Dan Salma. I will leave a link to it in the description box. So if you would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. This is pre-looped crochet hair in the color T30. It comes with 4 packs with 24 twists in each pack, and I did use all 4 packs. It also includes some clips, a crochet needle that I won't be using, and some hair jewelry. I installed these twists as individuals as opposed to the traditional way that you install crochet hair, and the process was pretty simple. I first blow dried my hair to make it easier to part, then I braided my hair at the root so that it would anchor the crochet hair when I passed it through to make the knot. I passed the looped portion of the crochet hair through the base of my braid, then I took the end of the crochet hair and passed that through the loop to form the knot. Next, I twisted my hair with the crochet hair with some styling foam. On to how I manage my hair in this style. Whenever I get out of the shower, I take a spray bottle filled with a mixture of peppermint oil and water and spritz this onto my scalp. This relieves itch and leaves my scalp feeling refreshed. Peppermint oil also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. I feel like hair absorbs a lot of smells, so to combat this, I use this oil by Jason's. It has sweet almond oil in it and it smells really good. And I smooth this throughout my hair. Now for my edges, I use this edge tamer by Eben. It works really good at smoothing my hair down and puts some nice finishing touches on the look. Protective styles have been my jam lately. Being in nursing school gives me zero time to even think about doing my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.